Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, tap on the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the very first one, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is I think the easiest one. It's *pound 1234 pound. And here we check the version of our device, so here we can check the AP, CP and model numbers. Let me get back and let me show you another code. This is for testing the device, which is *pound 0 *pound. And as you can see here, we can test some components of our device. So here we can test the receiver, vibration sensor, touch speaker, loop back, grip sensor version, a lot of options to check, to test. Let me show you how it works with the screen. So let's tap on red, and if you can see the red color all across the screen, then it means that everything works perfectly fine. So let's tap on it, let's choose green, and as you can see here we've got no missing spots, so it means that the green works fine. Also the blue, the same situation. Okay, so now let me check, for example, maybe the vibration. So simply tap on it, and if you can feel the vibration, just tap on it in order to turn it off. And as you can probably hear, it means that the vibration option works perfectly fine in this device. Okay, so now let me get back to the dialer and let me show you another code, which is *pound 0011 pound. And as you can see here, we are in a service mode, and here we've got some basic information that the SIM cards are not ready, but we can tap on this three dots icon, and here we've got more options. So for example, we can tap on Wi-Fi, and as you can see, we just got to the Wi-Fi info. So here we can check the SSID, for example, of it, link speed, or we can run ping test just up here. And as you can see, the ping test passed, so here we've got the results. Let me get back to the dialer and let me show you another code, which is *pound 0228 pound. And here we've got the battery status, so here we can check the network, the current value, so voltage, level block, or average voltage. Let me get back and let me show you another code, which is *pound 0808 pound. And here we've got USB settings, so here you can check and change the mode, and all you have to do it is simply tap on the one you want to use and tap on OK. Just make sure that the option you want to use is marked, but let me leave it like this. Now let's get back to the dialer and let me show you another code, and which is the last one. It's *pound 2663 pound. And here we've got the firmware version, so here we can check the Wi-Fi version, for example the Bluetooth version, or the TSP threshold. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.